Okay, so these are my Powerbeats Pro that I just got. I love these headphones. They are my absolute favorite. This is my second pair. I got the navy this time. And they're just the best. Awesome sound, super comfortable. So it just comes like that out of the box. They fit so great on my ears. I can run with them. They don't go anywhere. They are sweat and water resistant, super great for active. My other pair, my son just kind of adopted, so we had to get another pair. Under here, and this I believe is new, is your charging cord and then replacement plastic pieces, and there's different sizes. So I've never had a problem right out of the box, but if you need a different size for your ear, there are 3 different sizes available. Super cool. So that's awesome. And then in here comes your little instruction manual, how to charge, how to pair, get the Beats app. It comes with a little sticker, and then just your, normal literature that comes with devices. So highly recommend these. They are the absolute best. The battery life is incredible. They're super comfortable. They don't pinch. They don't, they're just awesome. Love these headphones. Yeah, 10 out of 10. Definitely worth the price tag.